What's up? Today I'm gonna go over how to YouTube. I came up with the idea for this video because some of my subscribers have actually asked me, how do you make a YouTube video? In this video, I'm gonna break it down in as short amount of time as possible to just really get to the nitty and gritty core part of making a video. The first thing you need to do to YouTube is actually have an idea. You need some sort of idea, something you want to do, film, whatever, just something. You can't just go around going willy-nilly, being all blind and stuff, you know what I'm saying? The next thing you need to do is make sure that your subject is in the frame. If your subject is not properly in the frame, it's gonna be kind of hard to focus on it. Like, for instance, hey, what's up guys? It's me. Today I'm gonna be doing all this video stuff for you, so check it out, subscribe, smack that like button. As you can tell, it's kind of distracting. I'm just in the corner and it's not that helpful. Number 3, your subject, if it's talking to something, to someone, or trying to give a message, look into the lens, not a viewfinder if you have one, because it's very distracting and it feels, it's not as personal, you know, as if I'm looking at you or talking to you, you know what I mean? For example, hey, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial, how to be a YouTuber. Totally hit the subscribe, hit that like, and let's get to it. That was so hard to do. It was very hard to do that. I didn't like it. So look at the lens, not at yourself. The next thing that you're gonna need for making YouTube things is you need to be able to have your subject give off this personality, or mainly if you are the subject, you need to be able to be natural and talk, or at least imagine the people you want to talk to. That way it's a little more natural and, you know, it's more entertaining for the viewer. Let that come through, right? Like, surprise nunchucks! Last thing that I left for the end on purpose is something to record with. For those of you without like a DSLR camera or a mirrorless camera, you always have your phone. You don't need a camera to really get good content out. I'm gonna leave a link down below to some YouTube channels that I really like. Any other YouTuber is probably gonna share this with you. It's not about the tech, the gear that you have, it's the content. You're gonna hear it. Content is king. If it's funny, it's gonna be funny regardless if it's in HD or not. So don't worry about it. Now, this is gonna be a series and I'm gonna break down even more things into more depth about what to do to make videos and such. So, if you wanna see more of what I do, consider hitting the subscribe button down below for future content. And if you like what you see, hit the like button. Follow me on my social media for any updates, or just talk to me about my new videos. And all I want to say is, thanks for watching. Until next time, see ya.